web platform representing our solution is expected to meet requirements that will give our users and clients the desired functionalities in order to better fulfill their work. The main functional requirements are regarding the forum side of the project that will allow users to share thoughts on different threads regarding recent urban development and research. Users will be able to edit their own profile, create edit threads, as well as the analysis that will happen through Jupyter, which will be an important part of the solution, as there is an important percentage of the users which will be using the platform to analyze stored data. There are also some other requirements within Team's target that revolve mainly around the possibility to generate usage history logs for each profile, as well as having LDAP server-side validation. There's also an important target for the team to have no downtime during maintenance, as most of the users will be relying on our product 7 days a week, and improvement works should not interfere. Additionally, there are some specific non-functional requirements regarding the need to upload datasets through a CCAN instance in order to allow Jupyter, the analysis engine, to work with it. Regarding CCAN as well, a new UI similar to usual CCAN website is expected so that people migrating to our platform would not have a hard time getting used to the new environment. Security, as previously mentioned, is expected to be as strong as possible. LDAP validation will take place at every request so that no security check would be bypassed and data loss would be entirely avoided. In terms of performance and reliability, the data that the analysis engine outputs has to be always accurate and reliable, offering a possibility to be visualized properly by users. When it comes to competition, there are two main platforms that are trying to solve similar issues. CCAN, which allows the upload of datasets and view the analysis via maps, graphs, and tables, as well as the generation of individual logs for each profile. Even so, there is no forum and no access to Jupyter Hub. Besides this, there's the Network of Innovators, an effective forum with a powerful search functionality. But this forum does not allow any communication with an analysis engine such as Jupyter Hub, nor data management through CCAN. The solution is based on a website created through the Drupal framework. This will communicate with a deployed Ubuntu server that will be holding an Apache server, orchestrating the entire backend. The database used will be PostgreSQL, as requested by the client due to maintenance reasons. Each request will be going through the Apache server that will in turn call the LDAP service to validate them individually, and only then make any queries on the entries in the database. The Apache server will also be in charge of redirecting to the analysis services Jupyter and CCAN that would rely on a Hadoop database, which in turn will be queried using a custom search that will allow users to find existing analysis. The prototype that we've already built is based on Drupal. It is represented by the forum side of our entire project. It already supports the creation of threads and adding new comments provided you are logged in. Each comment can have any optional subject as well as a proper comment that supports basic HTML formatting. You will see that this comment will be posted right now. Judging by the fact that we have just created the comment, we can edit it. We can edit only the comments that we own on the account that we're currently logged in, which right now is the UDL admin. We can delete them. We'll be prompted to confirm, just for making sure. Testing of the framework will happen at two different levels, unit testing and high-level testing. The solution will include Drupal framework for running automated unit and functional tests. Drupal creates a separate testing environment for each test, as well as Selenium testing on the final web platform. Furthermore, deployment will be automated entirely through a deploy hook to fasten the development operation side, as well as ease of maintenance. Furthermore, the hosting will be provided entirely by the CS department, and a Ubuntu server will be used to manipulate the entire traffic. When it comes to the economics of the solution, we have to mention the fact that the client is partly represented by the CS department, which provides a lot of support in terms of infrastructure. The hosting will be done on a server provided by them, which, combined with the fact that the maintenance will be done internally within the Urban Dynamics lab, will reduce the cost of the project to zero. Regarding future of the project, three main uses have been identified at present. Platform will aid researchers in all three departments, UDL, Department of Computer Science, and Department of Geography, as well as it will represent an alternative to Network of Innovators, CCAN, and other usual Jupyter engine users, plus any external geodata analyst.